Hi friends, today's topic is realization of hidden capital. I start this topic again with a small anecdote. So the discussion was happening with me and my friend about 8 years back when in Delhi circle rates were introduced. So various colonies of Delhi were clustered into various groups, Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, and the colonies were allocated in various groups depending upon the various parameters or how posh the colony is. So this particular guy, his auntie's house was clustered in Group A, on the highest property tax cluster, should I say. So the property tax calculation happened, and she was supposed to pay some lakh rupees for property tax per year, or what we call house tax. Now the house was very big, in as at the most posh colony of Delhi, but that was an old house. Maybe her husband must have made that house long back, and now the husband was no more there, so she was living alone, and she also doesn't have any kid. So she must have been telling my friend that, see, this is happening and how I can afford that property tax. She was discussing with me, and I told him, Anuj, don't you think if a person who is living in a house whose worth is $2 million in market and cannot afford that property tax should be living in that house? The simple solution is, why don't she sell that house, take up maybe the same size house or bigger house in a Group C cluster, as I said, of property, where the price would be exactly half, and she will get $1 million in cash as liquid money in her bank. And I'm sure that then she can pay off her property taxes or future or servants or have a luxurious life. And that particular instance was actually the backbone when we wrote the concept of hidden capital and its realization in our book. Then I saw a lot of people were having the same kind of asset. See, let me take a quick moment here and tell you guys, I am a big fan of hard work. And I'm not saying that selling your assets to live your life should be your first priority. No. As individuals, as professionals, as hardworking people, we should always try hard to build up assets, to actually maybe reach from Group A to Group A plus society. If we can, do that with our hard work, with our passion, with our energy, enjoying our life simultaneously. But if something like that happens, that you are in trouble financially, you are not able to make money, or the age is not at your side, then I have realized that most of the Indians have a lot of these hidden assets. People have gold in their, as jewelry in their lockers or in their houses. I just give you example, and you will look around, you will see a lot of people from older generation, the last generation, actually have a lot of asset in the form of home. The house is pretty big. The current market value would be anywhere from $500,000 to $3 million. And then when I see those people struggling to get both ends meet on a monthly basis, just to meet the basic expenses, it's very surprising for me. Just to give you quick solutions, and it happened again in one of our neighborhood very recently, the last 2 years. There was a family who was struggling the same way like this for the last 30 years. Somehow the good thought struck them. Actually, neighbors pushed them, and they sold their house to a builder, and builder gave them in return enough money, along with, so they kept 2 floors with themselves, and 2 floors builder took, and the builder gave them a lot of cash. Now those 2 builders were sold to 2 other families. So this particular family, there were hardly 4 people in the family. They need, even 2 floors are good enough for them, because the floor is about 150 square yard. And now they have 2 floors, plus they got a cash of 70 lakh rupees, which is about $120,000. Because of the interest of that amount, now they're living a very good life. Something which was not happening for the last 30 years, other than the last 6 months to 1 year. So the thought is, most of us, especially our parents, have a lot of these kind of hidden assets. When time comes, when necessary or the need is there, I'm sure that we can cash out those assets. There is no point in having those assets and then thinking or creeping about your monthly expenses every day. Again, before ending, I will say, selling an asset should be the last option, but that should be an option. Don't negate that option at all, and don't think that we can never do that thing. Thank you.